We are eating pasta.
The Tomp family eats pasta. Oh.
Yum, spaghetti. Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum, yum. Yum, yum in the tum tum. Want some water to wash it down with? Do you have a noodle coming out of your mouth?
Let's see that noodle. Ah.
Can you wave bye-bye to Daddy? Can you say bye-bye? Let's put this down and wave bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, everybody.
Mwah.